Hey, Seth, I've got treats. Come here. Come out of that den. Come here, bud. Here we go. Big tiger boy coming. Thank you, Seth. Much appreciated, my man. I got 2 whole pieces for you. I know, right? He's crazy. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Big Cat Devin, in case you're new here. And today it's a Tuesday, so it's my coordinating day, and we're actually just about to head home. So I'm gonna throw you back to the morning, and today was definitely a very eventful day. Lots of cat moves, so I hope you all do enjoy. Seth, how you doing? Are you feeling good today? Yeah? All right, here's a piece for you. Come here. Hey, look at this. Oh yeah, look at it. You got it, big piece. Oh, don't drop it. There you go. Chew it up. Nice. Here's another one. Alright, Seth, last one. Here you go. Oh, you just slobbered all over that. Alright. Good stuff, bud. Now let's go to lockout. Let's go. Come on. I'm just tossing the rest of Seth's food, the rest of his pork and chicken thigh, and some mush in his lockout so that I can let him in here to eat like a normal cat. Seth, you ready? Here we go. Door's open, bud. Stop rubbing and go. Seth is heading in to have his morning breakfast. All right, bud, you're gonna finish all that, right? I won't even need to come back. Not that I wouldn't, but. All right, see you, Seth. I got a nice chick head for you. You ready? Hey, serve. Hey, look at this. Serve, serve. Look, hon. Right there. Get it. Now, preferably, just swallow it. She's chewing. Oh, I think we're good, though. Hopefully I didn't just jinx it. Get it, serve? All right, nice work. Nicely done. You can have the rest of this now. And then while she's finishing off that, I'm just gonna drop in a couple chicken necks, her ball of mush, and then a nice tilapia fish fillet. A little warning, the next 2, 3, maybe 4 cats we're gonna feed, we're gonna be feeding out rabbits. So if you're not into that, just skip ahead in the video, just so you don't have to see it. Are you ready, Nat? Are you ready for your bunny, miss? Here we go. There you go. And she's off. You ready? You ready for your food? Watch your face. There you go. And as usual, she's taking it and walking with it. Next, we got Armani. Are you excited for food? Are you excited? Yeah, you are? Well, guess what? It's time. All right, Armani, are you ready? There you go. She's got some chicken thigh and some pork in there. You get to go back outside, Frostman. Yeah, a little bit. There we go.
Careful, yeah.
Just go slow.
Watch the air conditioner behind you. Yeah.
There you go. Nice.
All right, and then just put him up here.
All right, nice.
All right, you guys get on. One of you drive. I'll hold him on the back. Good.
And then you don't need me, right? And Frosty now gets to go back outside. We've moved Frosty outside. Hi, I've dropped him in some food. Eat up, bud. We've just cut up some food for Keisha and Tonga, and I'm at Keisha right now, so I'm going to try and feed her, and we'll see how she does. Come, pretty lady. What's up with you? Would you like some treats, Keish? I got all the treats. Oh my goodness, you do want the treats. Look at that. And I know you love the red, so I brought you lots of red. There you go. You got it. Pull it in. There you go. Here's a big chunk. You got it? There you go. Nice work. Another one, Miss Keish. There you go. Chew, chew, chew. You want one more? Here you go. Hey. Look at this. What's wrong? Eat the food. With some pork. Look, it's different. Sniff. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Here you go. Oh, not a fan. Not having it? Hey, come here. I'll go get the long stick. I will. Keish, come back. Where are you going? I got the big stick. Miss Keish. I can reach you right there, hon. Hey, Keish. You just ate one chunk. Let's see if we can do that again. It's so good. Come on, hon. It's so good. There you go. Good job, Keish. Let's keep it up, okay? I got one more chunk of red. One more chunk of red. Here you go. Nice work. Alright, she just ate a piece of pork. You want that little bit too? Oh my goodness, you want it too. Amazing. Alright, Keish. Let's keep it up. Let's have some more pork, okay? Here you go. Nice. I got one more piece, hon. If you eat this, you've eaten so much food today. I mean, you've already eaten a lot of food, to be honest. But this one last piece would be great. Nice. And just like that, we got her to finish her bucket. So she's probably at around 8 or so pounds, maybe 8.5 pounds today, which is amazing for her. Frost, look, I put food in your lockout. Come in. Come on, Frost. It's over here waiting for you. Come in. Let's go. I got extra food. Come, Frost. It's right in there. Move that butt. There you go, Frostman. All right. And he's just getting some bonus food because although he did eat all his food this morning, I do just want him getting maybe another 10 or so ounces. So that's about 10 ounces right there of pork and chicken breast. So hopefully he will eat all that. All right, I'll leave you to that, Frost. See ya. Bear actually hasn't been pooping for the past couple of days, so I'm currently trying to get him to get up and go to his lockout so I can lock him in there, and then we can catch him in the squeeze cage and take him into the hospital. But he's not having it. Hey, come on. He's like, I know what you're up to. I'm not moving. He's like, I know what you're up to. Come on, bud. You got up. I just need you to go a little bit further. It's like human Jenga in here. You want us to wait here?
No, you good.
You're going to back up and go inside, yeah. And there's another step up and another crouch for your head. And there's a log there, so watch out.
Hey, buddy.
So sit it down right here. Devin with the door pointing towards him. We're going to see it. Come on, cute boy. You're all right. Here's your spot.
Right in here, bud.
Devin, take a step forward. There you go. Those are your options. Good job.
All right.
Hang on.
Whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3.
All right. And then again, just watch where you're stepping.
Yeah, watch the roots and everything.
Roots and cage wire, lots of obstacles.
And you can just go right out that other door. You gotta duck down. Here's 100 pounds to carry and an obstacle.
Oh, that's the door. Okay.
And backwards.
All right.
And I'm ready.
Nice to done.
Oh, thank you.
Actually went super well. They just kind of cornered him with the nets like you saw. And then we really didn't give him an option to run other than inside the squeeze cage. So he made it in very well and super easy, which is obviously awesome. He's going to be heading into the hospital. Dr. Justin's coming in, and then they're going to probably give him some x-rays and just see what's going on with him and see probably why he's not pooping. Grab on the handles, and I'm ready when you are. All right. And again, there is like a step up to when we get to the hospital door, so just be aware of that. And we're probably setting him on the scale to your left.
He's watching cartoons. Yeah, watch. Keep that up here so he doesn't get space.
Oh, okay.
And,
All right, Mr. Nabisco.
you want to scooch him out so that the person is behind you. There you go.
That works even better.
Got
Ready?
it?
1, 2, 3.
When you back up.
Yeah, don't step on that laptop behind you.
Alright. I would not want to mess up the cartoons.
You don't want to take his cartoons.
No.
And then you're just going to swing around the corner. Got it? That other door to the outside.
Yes.
Thanks for coming.
All right, Bisco.
Go on, bud.
Out that way.
Hey,
It's open on the other side, bud.
biscuit.
There you go, bud. Nice job. Is just about finishing up. But we got Tut over here who likes some treats. And then I've got a couple more cats to feed before we're finished up for the day. Which definitely knows what time it is. Are you ready, bud? Can you come over this way? Come over this way. No, you just want to stand there? That's fine. Alright, bud. I don't want to nail you with that. And he's just getting a little bit of mush, which is that I just dropped in. And then he's got some ground turkey that he's chowing on right now. Alright, see you, bud. And like you just saw a little bit before, Nabisco was just moved out here, and I'd like to give him some food, but he's a bit insane. Alright, bud. Here you go. There you go. He was actually a lot more well-behaved than I thought. Alright, bud. Enjoy that. Nabisco is chowing down on some red as well as some cut-up pork right there. And sorry about all the noise. The air vent next to me is going, and then Tonga is in the hospital right now. So the generator over there is on. So it's making quite the ruckus. But I thought you'd like to see Nabisco eat. But here's the last piece. Oh, you dropped it. There you go. Nice work, dude. Hey, Seth, I've got treats. Come here. Come out of that den. Come here, bud. Here we go. Big tiger boy coming. Thank you, Seth. Much appreciated, my man. I got 2 whole pieces for you. I know, right? It's crazy. Here's one. Nice work. And last one. All right. Good work, Seth. Nice work. All right, bud. Have a good night. So that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you all did enjoy. Like I was saying before, today was a very eventful day. Lots of cat moves, lots of cats to feed, and everyone ate really well. So it was definitely a very good day, very eventful day, very busy day. So I hope you all did enjoy today's video. If you did, definitely hit that like button. Thank you for all the likes on all the recent videos. And if you're new here and you do want to join the family, hit that subscribe button, join the family, and also turn on those post notifications just so you don't miss a video, because I do post pretty randomly. And I hope to see you all in the next one.